Searching for images that match your color palette or a specific campaign can be time-consuming. Today we are going to learn how to do a color search in DALIM ES and cover this in 3 steps. First, we are going to pick a color to search, then define the color saturation, and finally choose the tolerance level. Let's start with the color we want to search for. In this example, we will use red. You simply go to the Search Color tab on the right of your screen and pick the color red. There it is, images containing red show up. It's that simple. And by the way, this works with any type of asset. With the help of the slider, I can choose my color saturation. In other words, how much red do I want in my images? By putting the slider to the right, you see that I only get an entirely red image. Finally, the slider above defines the tolerance level of the color search. Basically, this means how much of the other colors outside of red is the search allowed to show me. The more tolerance I enable by sliding to the right, the more I will get. Before we finish this video, I would like you to know that you can perform a color search by selecting any asset and clicking on Search Color. This will extract all the colors of the asset and let you perform a color search on multiple colors. Now, the color search is pretty straightforward. You pick a color you want to search, define the color saturation, and choose the tolerance level. And this is how you perform a color search in DALIM ES. You still here? If you're still here, go and check out the other videos by clicking like there, no, there, I don't know. Just click on the other videos, they are great.